Welcome, here I've got iPhone 13 mini and I'm gonna show you how to take live photo in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. Here let's move up to this button at the center so we can get access to more options about the camera we can manage. As you can see, now we have to tap to the second button from the left so we can decide to turn off the live photo, turn it on every time we take a picture, or turn it on the auto, so now the camera should recognize when are the best possible conditions to take this type of photo. Now let me keep it turned on every time we take a picture. I also can show you that when we move to the right corner we can quickly turn it off and turn it on as we need, so let me keep it like that. And when we take a photo we should get some extra thing with that, the other picture and 2 short clips. Let me show you how it works. So let me take a picture. To see it, we have to go to left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, and this is how the standard picture looks like. Now let's pick this button from the left with live, and we can tap to loop now to see the short clip. And as you can see, this is how the first video looks like. We can change it to bounce, the second one. And also here we can tap to long exposure to see the picture on long exposure. So we have 4 in 1. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.